Today on Let's Play RC, replacing the antenna on your Traxxas receiver, and we're starting right now. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this: soldering iron, solder, small utility knife, and small screwdriver. This method will only work if you have an old receiver where the receiver is no good, but you can take the antenna. Of course, I can't find just a replacement antenna, but if you want, you can try to find RG316 coax cable, and you can build your own antennas. Now, I've never actually done this, just through my research. This is a way to build your own antennas, so perhaps we'll try this one day down the road and let you know how it works out. But in the meantime, don't throw out your old receivers, because this is an easy way to replace a torn, busted antenna. So, take them apart, your receivers apart, by cutting the plastic sticker using a small screwdriver. You can see there's a large tab and two small tabs. On the large tab, spread it open and pull the receiver apart, like so. Do the same thing on your receiver that isn't working, so that you can steal the actual antenna wire. And basically, you're just pushing this tab in. Just be careful not to break the plastic. It'd be nice if I had a pencil tip, but I don't. I only have this chisel tip. This here is the actual, let's see if I can, this connection here is your actual electronic connection. This connection here is just to hold the wire. And that's it. Same thing on your broken one. And try very hard not to touch any of the other little boards on here. Literally that simple. Done. Alright guys, so when I was working on my Traxxas Emaxx, basically rebuilding everything onto the new chassis, that's when I accidentally ripped the receiver on mine by getting it stuck underneath of the motor mounting itself, and it tore it. So does that work? You bet it does. So, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, guys, get out and play. See you later.